Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So today I have several unboxings. I have my Fab Fit Fun box, and I think I got this. I ordered the box that I still haven't unboxed, and then if you bought the box you got a box free, and I think this is the free box, but don't quote me. And then I also have some friend mail from Lorrie's Life, and I think it's actually Lorrie's Life Shopping Blind, and she's so sweet, and she just sent me some friend mail, and I'll leave her channel link below. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I so appreciate you stopping by, and please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate your loyalty and just love you guys. You're so supportive. And I might leave one of my baby pictures at the end of it. As some of you know, I do have a grandbaby that's between 4 and 5 months old, and she's just got the chubbiest cheeks. So let's get into the Fab Fit Fun box. And as I said, I think it was like if you bought one, you get one free. So I have no clue what's in here. I have no idea how much the box is even worth because it was free. So it looks like there's about 4 items in the box. And the first item is by Humankind, and it's I don't know. Oh, it's a hand scrub. So it's just scrub your hands. And with everything going on in the world today, who doesn't need a good hand scrub? And when my daughter was in town, she was going to a wedding in Cabo. So she never gets her nails done, but she's like, Mom, will you go with me to get my nails done? So of course I had to go. And this lady put these claws on me, and I can't wait to go have them filed down. So I'm really not like scrubbing my nails because I'm afraid they'll all fall off. But this is a nice hand scrub. And of course I don't know the value of any of these items. And the next thing is Lasting Smile Shining Light on Causes Half Matter. I guess I should put my glasses on to actually. It's a cause candle. Oh, and I'll never say no to a candle. And since this box was free, obviously this is definitely worth it. Who doesn't like a candle? And it looks like it kind of already melted in here. Oh my gosh. Balance aromatherapy. So it must have a lot of lavender in it. Oh my God. I can smell the lavender. So this is what it looks like. See how many ounces it is. Probably on the box. But it's a nice candle. And definitely worth it. I'm not going to put it back in the box. It is 9.7 ounces. So that's really nice. I don't think I got this nice of a candle in the Fab Fit Fun boxes that I order. So I'm not complaining about the candle. And the next thing is Clay Away Body Cleanser. Oh, by Neo. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. So I guess it's a wash. You could put it in the shower. But I don't know if it's like a mask for your body or a gel. It says gel here. So I will give this a try. My shower is so packed up with different items in there. Dennis is like, how many items do you need in a shower? You know, he just has his staples, and of course I have to try different items. So I got that. Oh, and here's the little thing. I don't know if it tells you. Oh, it does tell you what's in there. It's got oh, and it's got these eyelashes, and I don't use these, and I just hate to put them in a giveaway because if I don't like them, how do I know you guys will like them in a giveaway? So just let me know if you like lashes, and I can keep them separate, and that way if you win, I'll stick them in there. So we got the lashes, we got the Human in Kind, and I guess it's elderflower and raspberry. And then we got the aromatherapy candle, and we got the Mild Clay Away body cleanser. So we got 4 items, and it was free. So I am so not complaining. So let me know what you thought of this. And again, I have such a big collection of eyelashes that I will never ever wear. As I said, I think I've tried a couple pair and they ended up in the trash. But I'm anxious to try this. So let's get into my great friend mail. So I came back from Chicago and there was this box and it was from Lorrie. And I'm like, we recently did a collab. And I'm like, were we supposed to do another collab? And I forgot about it. And so I opened the box and there was a card. Look at how cute. It has pumpkins on it. And it's a thank you. Oh, and all the stuff falls out. And it says, Robyn hugs Lorrie. She's just so sweet. Put it in the big box. And it says, keep up the good work. She put some little things in here. You rock. She's the sweetest. And because she's blind, she uses like these really neat machines that will take like cards you get out of subscription boxes and like magnify them, and she has a thing that types. But what amazes me about her is she travels everywhere. She's got a gorgeous home that is spotless, and it's like amazing. And she's like, I hope you are doing well. I wanted to say thank you for taking the time to do a collab with me. And I've seen this small gift and I wanted to give it to you. So I won't read the rest. It's kind of personal. But she sent me some eye masks, and who doesn't like eye masks? And I don't know what's in this box. I didn't look yet. But it came wrapped very nice. I'm so excited. And I asked her if it was okay if I unbox this on the channel, and she said that would be fine. And of course, I can't open it. Bear with me. I'm so excited. Don't you just love getting friend mail? And I did go open I don't know where my scissors are. I opened a post office box because when I was in Chicago, Dennis was in Washington, and we had to ask a friend to come, and I had like 6 boxes just there. And not only were they sitting at the front porch, they were also melting with my scissors. So I had to go and open a post office box so this wouldn't happen anymore. So I do have a post office box below that I got in case I had any more packages or in case I got any friend mail. But Lorrie already had my address, and I have no idea what I did with my scissors, and I can't get this open. So I'm gonna put you on pause for 1 second. Okay, found my scissors, opened the box. No nails were sacrificed during the opening of this box. And look what Lorrie got me. Is this not the absolute cutest? Now, for those that are new or do not know me, I live in Arizona, but I collect cactuses. I have them everywhere. I have cactus pens, cactus paper, anything that I can get my hands on that is cactus. I have cactus jewelry, and this is so sweet of Lorrie. So really, please go check out her channel. She's just a wonderful person in heart. She says she does a lot of traveling. I kind of hope she comes and she travels to Arizona. I know there's so many YouTubers that make friends with other YouTubers, and then they go and they meet each other. I mean, how awesome is that? Even if it's for lunch or dinner, some people meet for the weekend. So I love this cup, and it's actually a nice size. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be drinking out of my cactus cup. So thank you so much, Lorrie, and the eye masks. And leave comments below. Let me know what you thought of my little free FabFitFun box. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And I'll see you on the next video.